sometimes we need to break, or we need to chamfer our corner like that. Okay, so how we can do that? Actually, by using chamfer command, simply we can create some chamfer like that. So to do chamfering, just click here and go for chamfer, and then you have to provide the value of chamfer. So with respect which data you need to create chamfer, by distance, by angle, you can create chamfer with respect to that angle, or you can create chamfer with respect to distance. So suppose if we click here distance, then you have to provide the specific fast chamfer distance. I'll provide here suppose 0.75 inch. Then second chamfer distance, what will be that will be your, which one will be selected by first? It will be the first chamfer distance, and which one will be selected second, then it will be second chamfer distance. So if we provide second chamfer distance, suppose 0.25 inch. Okay, now it's telling us a specific fast line. So which one will be our first line? Suppose this one will be our first line, and a specific second line. Just see here, it will be second line. Again, if you press enter, and if we provide that one will be our first line, and that one will be our second line, like that. Again, if you click here, and if you click, this one will be our first line, and this one will be our second line. So you are able to create chamfering like that. So this one will be first line, and this one will be second line. So when you will create chamfer like that, your next line will be removed. Again, if you click here and here, just see your previous two line will be removed like that. So this is the way to create chamfer. And now if you want to use actually command, then press CH A and enter. Okay, and again, a specific first line, already we have provided data. If you need to provide data again, and if you, by clicking here, you can provide your data, or you can provide your angle. So if you provide your angle, just see specify chamfer length or for first line. So here you can provide for first line, and suppose 45, and for second, suppose, okay, no need to do that. Just simply go CSA, and by using our previous data, simply click here and here. Just see your chamfer will be created. So this is the way to create chamfer for any corner or any line. Thank you very much.